Guys, look at. Guys, this place is called TBS. It's a bus station. It's Lagos Transportation. See that? TBS terminal. Guys, this is TBS terminal. This lawn tennis club, guys. Lawn tennis club cover. Yeah, I like lawn tennis. Guys, we are approaching CMS. See, Lagos Lawn Tennis established 1895. It's been here for a very long time. One of the oldest sports club in Nigeria. Genesis. That's TBS. Guys, this is called Tafawa Balewa Square, Independent Power Project. TBS, Tafawa Balewa Square. Tafawa Balewa Square, the almighty Tafawa Balewa Square. In Ikoyi. I think we are still in Ikoyi. Heading to CMS subsequently. TBS is the auditorium. It's our Savior's Church Hall, TBS, Tafawa Balewa Square. It's one of the most iconic square in Lagos, in Nigeria. Diocese of Lagos Anglican Communion. These are old churches. These churches were established by the colonial masters before the independence. This TBS Banquet Hall, Tafawa Balewa Square Banquet Hall. Guys, this area is legendary. When the Federal Capital Territory was in Lagos, when the Nigerian capital was in Lagos, Tafawa Balewa Square, TBS, was one of the most important areas. See this area you see? It's very, very, very legendary, very iconic. Guys, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please subscribe for more videos every day, all day. Check out that. Yeah, that's telecommunication building. It's Nigerian telecommunication or something like that. Nigerian Telecom. Guys, we got here now. Guys, see TBS, guys. Come on. See, it's still TBS, guys. Guys, now we are getting into this CMS little by little. Let's look at that. That's Eleganza. Here it is. This is CMS. Guys, these streets are legendary. See, this side of Lagos is one of the oldest, one of the first developed place in Nigeria before the colonialism, during the colonialism, and after, since after the colonialism, still developed, still awesome. So we are still heading to CMS, guys. This school, you see, it's a new Bat International School. It's been here for ages. One of the oldest schools in Nigeria. This. Look at this church. One of the oldest, just like CMS. Just like CMS Church. Guys, look at this. Look at it. It's awesome. It's well made. One of the oldest in the country. Guys, look at the street. There now is CMS. Guys, this street, this area, this street is called Lion Building. Guys, this place is called Lion Building. This is Lion Building. This place is called Lion Building. And it's iconic to Nigeria.